11. Taurinia, wishbone flower, shade lover, great for hanging baskets or borders. 12. Sunflower, tall, sunny blooms, grows well in open rainy patches. 13. Cleome, spider flower, tolerates moisture, attracts pollinators. 14. Gomphrena, globe amaranth, round, papery blooms, very hardy in rain. 15. Morning glory, fast vine, blooms in early morning during rainy months. 16. Impatiens, busy Lizzie, shade-loving, vibrant flower clusters. 17. Begonia, beautiful foliage and blooms, likes filtered rainwater. 18. Coreopsis, daisy-like flowers, grows even in heavy rain zones. 19. Verbena, clusters of tiny flowers, loves moist soil. 20. Celosia, coxcomb, unique flame